Hello. Yeah. So I'm present. I'm on behalf of. I'm presenting as a proxy for this paper, CivilSum, a dataset for abstractive summarization of Indian court decisions. So, legal document summarization is a well-studied topic. It's known to be crucial but challenging because legal professionals have to look at a large number of documents often, and reading through long documents can be difficult. And summarization in the legal domain needs to actually capture all critical aspects of the case, and not just, so standard summarizers or open domain summarizers do not usually work well. Secondly, existing data sets are very limited. They are usually of small size, and they often cover cases or judgments of the same jurisdiction or same type of cases. So there's a lack of diversity. And so there is a need for larger and more diverse data sets for Indian legal cases. So this dataset CivilSum is introducing 23,000 plus Indian court decisions with human written summaries. And they have taken them from the Supreme Court of India as well as multiple high courts over a long period of time from 1947 to 2010. And some of the key statistics is that mainly the compression ratio in this data set is much higher than previous data sets. So the summaries are much more concise. And also they are much more abstractive because there is a higher number of novel 1 grams in the summary compared to the document. Secondly, some key features have been observed. So firstly, many summaries actually reference some paragraph of the original document. So more than 90%, 97% of summaries actually have those references. Secondly, there is a tail bias, as in the content towards the end of the document is usually seen to be more important, and this is different from what is seen usually in news articles. Also, many diverse topics have been covered in this dataset as discussed before. So some models which were tested were like this factor sum, which is an abstractive sampling-based method. Secondly, long former, which is a transformer for long documents, and also Llama 2. And evaluation has been done automatically using W1.7 and BERT score, as well as some human evaluation has been performed. So the main key findings are, firstly, this factor sum and long former, they perform better than the random extractive baselines, which is quite expected. Secondly, the tail bias is actually seen to be true. So if we actually pick up only the end portions of documents when we are summarizing, then that leads to better performance versus taking the front portions. So this factor sum method can be tailored to choose particular areas of the text. So we can instruct it like that. So that is how the performance differs. Similarly, the paragraphs which are actually referenced in the original summaries, if we actually try to focus more on them when generating the summary, that shows a higher performance. So this is like an analysis. You will obviously not get it for a new case. You don't know what is the gold standard summary. But based on the existing ones, they perform this analysis, which shows that indeed taking those referenced paragraphs into the summary gives us a higher score. Finally, Llama 2 shows good promising results in the zero-shot setting, as in, although Rouge and other scores are not as high as the other models, the experts kind of preferred Llama 2. As we can see, in terms of technical adequacy, the other models are preferred, but in terms of overall quality, the experts actually preferred the Llama 2 summaries, whatever be the Rouge scores. So finally, just to conclude, so this is a new challenging benchmark which contains a larger number of cases and also highlights these aspects of legal summarization. And as part of the future work, the authors plan to access the factuality and then prevent hallucinations, and also focus on the key entities and references. So the codes and data are all available in the links.